Okay, well, welcome back. We're going to be going over the first of two modules for submodules that we'll be talking about for this type of work. And so first of all, we'll be talking about running a CNC machine, various types of machines that you will possibly be encountering or programming in the future. And we just have three different areas that we'll be thinking about there in terms of the standard skill goals. And so aligning and coordinating one cutting tool machine centers, that will be the first thing. Looking at the setup with multiple tools, and then proving a program and trying it out. So let's go ahead and have a little bit of introductory material, and then we'll get into the details here. So please note, along with good planning and programs, well-made machine setups are the third vital key to profit, quality, and safety. Setup ability is the essential skill that sets journeymen apart from machine operators. So here we're seeing that range of skills that would be in the assembly process. Everything you've learned comes together here. Work holding and clamps, cutter selection, loading tools, using dial indicators and edge finders, machine home, DTG, and work coordinates, control skills and MDI entries, machine maintenance, data management offsets, establishing PRC, aligning vices and fixtures, reading engineering drawings, and work orders and setup docs. So setups are downtime, non-value added steps which make turning your machine around from one job to the next. Making good parts as soon as possible, a massively big issue in industry. Calling yourself a journey machinist means being very good at setups. So you not only can machine, but you can quickly and efficiently go from getting things set up and then operational. So for setup specialists, this is such an important job in high production shops or where the work is extra valuable, meaning no parts can be risked in testing. The program's setup specialists are part of the team. Their job is to float throughout the shop, getting machines after a machine up and running. So once the run settles down, they turn the production over to the operator and moves to the next setup. And so it can be an interesting job. For progressing to mastery, when first employed, it is doubtful an entry-level person will be given this responsibility. The normal progression is to begin as an operator with a little administrative authority, other than loading parts and measuring the work. Progressing to mastery would be the next level, and there you're able to demonstrate your abilities. More tasks can be given. The chances are you will be allowed in this order to change speeds and feed using override controls, change offset, change cutting tools. But that means changing all the information on the tool memory page unless they are preset tools, then perhaps minor editing. Next, the less complex setup work. Finally, a tooling program hand compiled on your console to make a vice jaw or lathe chuck jaws. And so it will go until step by step you've learned the responsibility and control of every aspect of the machine. Be assured most employers want and expect their machinists to make their own setup change. That's what we do. It's a matter of time and trust before doing them. Studying the last chapter carefully will help speed that process up. So setup is a complex skill set. Experience in cutting tools, alignment procedures, chucks, vices, saw jaws, safe work clamping are all used here. Adding to the challenge, different shops do things differently, so you'll need to learn the range of possibilities, then adapt to their way of doing things. And so here's the basic of CNC setup. So let's go ahead and pause here and we'll get into this one.